Hi guys, welcome to the another episode of the SQL Server. Here I will guide you to install SSMS 21, the latest one, SQL Server Management Studio 21. Yeah, I will provide you this link in the description, so then you can click and you can go to this link. So once you come into this link, you have to click on this link. So once you do that, it will automatically download this required file. Let me show you here. Okay, I already downloaded yesterday, so that is why it shows something like that. And open it. Once you open, it will come up with this kind of window. So it will need some time to download. I'll continue this video after downloading it. So it's done, as you can see here. Then let's wait for a bit. So by the way, so I'm doing this installation inside my virtual machine. So it will take you to this kind of window. Here I will need AI assistance for SQL Server Management Studio and hybrid and migration. Yes, code tool as well. Then business intelligence. I'm leave it for now, the business intelligence things, but I will install it later. But right now I need these features, only these features. So once you choose these features here, then click install. Then it will download the that particular tool from the internet and it will install in your PC. So it will take some time and depend on your network speed. So let let's meet after we download the management studio. Well, it's done. So we can launch it here and just don't worry about this thing. It's for myself. And you can launch it here. These are the other features installed via this installer. But our main task is to install SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. So you can skip and add a count later. If you have a count, you can add it already. and I want to log into my localhost. So simply uh, press a dot here, or else you can find your host name from here. Let me show you this first, then trust the certificate, then connect. This is the one way. The other way is, and go to the properties of your my computer or this PC. Then you can copy your device name and put it here. And you see, yeah, this is how you install and connect to the Management Studio latest update 2025. Uh, yeah, it's 21.4.8. Let's do some awesome work together later with these tools. It has some new features like Copilot integrations, and this one as well. Let's see how these features are work. Thanks for watching. Uh, if you learn something through my videos, please do subscribe. I will post similar video in this YouTube channel. Thank you.